Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This is the CoinHope channel here, and I got this aggressively average content for you today as crypto is continuing to correct. This is the healthy pullback we had been discussing for a bit now, and this is what we need in order to continue to see the bull run into 2024, ladies, and we're right on schedule, we're right on track. This is 100% healthy, and I'm going to reiterate this. And for anyone right now looking for great entry points into great high quality project. And it's because the crypto conditions are perfect. Crypto regulations are on the horizon. This Bitcoin ETF will be approved, but in addition the macro conditions will be perfect, and I feel like there's nobody else I would rather have speaking to all of you right now than Raul Paul on why the macro will be perfect for crypto. The macro is the first thing that needs to be right for crypto to take off, and Raul Paul is telling us that it will be in 2024. Since crypto markets look ahead, most people are saying, well, we're probably around a recession, we're seeing unemployment go up, blah blah blah. Crypto knew about this last year as it's forward looking. It actually trades on liquidity condition, and I do a lot of macroeconomic research at my research company Global Macro Investor, and for us the liquidity cycle just keeps going for the next 2 years, so we will see a bottoming of the economy maybe Q1 Q2 of next year. The people will visibly start to see things improving, but the markets are already trading it. The equity markets already knew, almost back at the all-time highs. Crypto markets ripping because they're discounting this. If we live that 6 months in the future, are the Fed likely to be raising rates or cutting rates? Cutting rates, at worst they don't do anything, but that's so the probability is for easing of liquidity conditions. Is there a chance, because we're going to an election year, that they stimulate with fiscal stimulus? Pretty much 100% chance they'd like to buy VOT. Yes, so 2024 is all about stimulus and economic recovery. That's a very good backdrop, and that's the transition from crypto a macro spring into crypto macro summer, and that macro summer crypto summer is we're starting to see growth pick up, bottom pick up, but inflation is not picking up yet, still falling from the lagging effects of the old cycle. So inflation is not a problem, growth is going up and liquidity is coming into the system. That's like the perfect environment now, ladies and gentlemen. Isn't that beautiful? Remember, in 2020, there will be another election. That was about 4 years ago, when the last rate cuts happened and our STEMI checks came in the mail. That was also when the boat behind happened. Lots of inflation and a health problem. The perfect story, ladies and gentlemen. Are you paying attention? These conditions help to stimulate the crypto market, and the more the crypto gets some of this money, the more the higher these prices will go. I 100% believe rate cuts are coming next year. I also believe stimulus will be coming, and I do also believe the crypto space is seeing developer activity pick up. Don't believe me, it's still true. And in addition, we have the infrastructure of ISO 20022 in PLA. See, it went live in March, Fed now in July, extreme updates in November, and all of you are forgetting that a lot of people, they hate it when I bring updates, that updates are supposed to take place, because in their minds they think that that is equal to the price must go up now, and that is a flawed perspective to have. And actually I state explicitly when I bring updates that I don't expect specific price targets to be achieved, and I don't expect price to go up at all, but what I do expect is that FO are that infrastructure to be in place, and for that to cause the price to go up in value at a later date when liquidity conditions are perfect. And in 2024 those conditions will be perfect. I promise you. You've seen all the tech updates you need to see the crypto space, and specifically our favorite digital assets including XRP, be ready to take off. There's no way around the fact that 99% of people aren't paying attention, and most of the 1% that are don't really have their finger on the heart like we do right now. The year 2024 will be important because it is the anniversary of ISO 2002. So let's look at 2024. What are the main steps to take after getting your forecast? To sum up what we've talked about so far, I think the main steps are: it will happen, and it doesn't matter if you think it's 2025 or 2026, it will be a 2024 problem. You need to bite the bullet and get ready. If it were up to me, I'd say automate it so you don't have to do all the work yourself, which is bad. Now, guys, did you hear that? It's not going to slip in a 2025 or 2026 and 2024. These banks will have to upgrade to ISO 20022. You don't think that some crypto use cases for ISO will happen, especially since crypto is going to be on a bull run at the same time. At the very least, there will be some tests and trials. I think XRP will be the cryptocurrency that benefits the most from this next run. Last time around, XRP wasn't able to do what it was supposed to do because of. But now I want you to do what the smart money, the people with billions of dollars, are doing. Warren Buffett, head of Berkshire Hathaway, put $500 million into a new bank. All of Latin America's fintech banks want to combine their services into one app with Nubank. Nubank is also a big Ripple partner and is about to become a great app. Why does Warren Buffett keep investing in big Ripple partners when he got rid of JP Morgan and Goldman Sachs? He even doubled down on Bank of America, which is a big Ripple partner. Sumitomo is a big partner of Ripple, and so is the new bank. The writing is on the wall, and I think you all need to pay close attention to what's going to happen next. This is one of those money-related apps that I believe will soon be known as a super app. The average person in the US, Brazil, Colombia, or really anywhere else in the world doesn't want a whole page of different financial apps on their iPhone. That means that all of these fintech companies are going to have to get very good at adding everything from insurance to lending to credit cards to payments, and so on. This is one of the companies that got ahead of the idea. They've been very good at adding new features.